Hey guys, Joe Mendoza. We are live here on the internet, and hopefully, you guys are going to jump in and start participating. We're going to be talking about our exciting event coming to you this Friday in person at Iris Commercial. And, ladies and gentlemen, I have Susanna Royce, Jesse Hernandez as well today on our live. Yeah, Susanna, why don't we start with you? Share a little bit about yourself, what you'll be talking about, anything else you want to share.
Joe, thank you so much for the nice welcome. I'm excited to be here. So, my expertise is commercial real estate financing and maybe some other types of commercial financing that may not involve real estate. But anything with acquiring a business with real estate or acquiring commercial real estate investments, I can help out with. And I do find that I'm so excited that you're doing this live because I find that most people don't understand commercial financing. And even some of the clients that I have worked with in the past don't really have a good, well rounded, or deep enough understanding of commercial financing. And I find that at times that will either have an impact on their rate of return or just on some of the business decisions where, none of us are doing this for fun, right? Everybody wants the bottom line. And I think by really having a very good picture of what the financing looks like, and more importantly, what it can look like, can really make a difference.
Awesome. Jesse, super glad you're going to be hosting. You have such a wealth of knowledge. You're such an influencer in the community. Tell us something about yourself and what you'll be talking about.
Well, you know what? First of all, thank you for throwing me on your live. I appreciate being on here with both of you. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited. It's going to be held at my office. We're hosting the event. So I encourage anyone in the Covina, San Gabriel Valley, Los Angeles area to attend. We have more than enough room. We're going to have lunch catered in. I'm the commercial guy, guys. I'm the commercial real estate guy. I'm the one that helps you find the deal, restructure the deal, reposition the deal, and then we can give it to the rest of the team to cash it out and buy the next one, right? So our job in our side and what we do is really look for the perfect deal, right? And the one strategy that I want to share with everybody that day is really my own personal strategy that I've used, and I know that you use it as well, is buy the story, not the property. So if you want to know what that really means, then you need to be at this event, right? I'm going to teach you how to buy the story, not the property, and turn a little diamond in the rough into a nice gem that's going to generate cash flow and appreciation. So that's my side, guys. My job is to going to teach you guys how to leverage real estate, right? And what's the difference between being a commercial real estate broker like me, right, and being an investor? It's two different worlds, guys. It's two different worlds. And being an investor is actually a business in itself. So we're going to go through the nuts and bolts of what it takes to be a true accredited and savvy real estate investor. So I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Susanna. And folks, if
Jesse,
you're
Jesse's
watching
also
this,
he's already spilling his beans and he's already divulging some of the secrets because we've got a few in our pockets, Jesse.
Well, you
But
know what? We have to. They got to know what they need to understand what they're going to get. I mean, ultimately, when it's all said and done, guys, look, it's really knowledge is one thing, but applied knowledge is what's going to make it work, right? So I can give you the secrets to everything, but until we apply it, it's not going to mean a thing. But I do want you to attend the event because once you come to that event and you see what it's going to really take to become a real estate investor and how to finance these deals, how to source these deals, right? How to source them, how to joint venture with these deals. You're going to see the opportunities are limitless, right? And I'm going to show you how we did it, and we're going to show you how we financed it. And I know, Joe, you're going to bring your wealth of knowledge as well.
yes, sir.
I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
add to that, Jesse, if I might. So sorry, Joe, but I have to because this is so good. You're really showing all the different aspects that investors really have to understand when somebody's going to get into commercial real estate. And you mentioned joint venture. So I just want to add that one of the things that's going to be different about this event that we will show you kind of the secrets of the insiders. Like Jesse said, you can joint venture, it's about the story, not the deal. But here's the other thing. No matter what you're doing in real estate, whether it's residential, commercial, we obviously only focus on commercial. There's a limited amount of money if you're going it alone. And we have a lot of expertise within our team So we can show you how to use other people's money. And by that, I don't just mean debt. I'm not just talking about banks here, but how to put together syndications, how to put together funds. Joe and I have worked on a couple of deals, and we have a few clients that have a lot of interest in it. And that's basically applying double leverage. Like Jesse said, leverage is important. Now imagine if you could apply double leverage, but it does take some expert knowledge, and we're here to make it simple for you.
Yeah, I agree with you. I know, Joe, you have a saying. You always say, what is it? What is that saying that
alone you're going to go fast. Together you're going to go far. So alone you're going to go fast. Together you're going to go far. And this is exactly why Jesse and Susanna are here with me today. Commercial Real Estate Investor Club is not about me. It's about we.
No, I agree.
I like that, Joe.
Yeah, I agree, guys. I think the more information that we can give our members, help them, really do their underwriting and due diligence on their investments, the bigger the returns that they have, the better for all, right? And they might bring a deal to the table that we can all participate in, or we can guide them in actually buying that deal, restructuring that property. So there's a lot of things that I think that we're going to cover in our event that are going to take people that are brand new to real estate or are thinking about it, or we're going to get those investors that may have a little single family rental here and there, and then all of a sudden they're going to see the difference between residential rentals and commercial, and they're going to see the light, guys. And that's happened to me, right? I'm getting rid of all my residential. I just sold one last month. I'm buying more and more commercial as we speak, and I'm going to transition completely into commercial. So I think it's one of those things where a lot of the people that will attend this event are going to walk away with so many nuggets and an action plan that they can actually implement to start their investing journey.
I'm going to make one more promise, Jesse, that even the people who are not new to commercial real estate, when they come to our event, they're going to learn something that they didn't know before. We have spent so much time. We're experts in our respective industries, and there's going to be something that they either always wondered about or always wanted to know, or maybe they didn't even know this was out there, and it's just really going to hit them, and the puzzle pieces are going to start fitting together, enabling everybody to really get into commercial real estate, where you have a lot less competition than you have in residential. And that's where the big boys go to play, and that's where the big money is made.
Exactly. That's where the money's made. And I think it all starts with mindset. So, Joe, I can't wait to sit into your class that you're going to teach. That's all about mindset. That gives you that strong investor mentality, right? And you really got to be have that mindset right in order to get into the larger numbers, right? The 2, 3, 4, 10, $15 million deals. That mindset is everything. So I can't wait to actually sit there and take your class as well, Joe. So I'm excited about it. I want to make sure that I take plenty of notes, and I know that we have some branded material, and we do have a special guest coming in. If I remember correctly, one of the largest websites out there for commercial real estate, right, Joe?
Yeah, Crexi, ladies and gentlemen. So if you don't know who they are, you will soon find out, but they're huge. They really stepped up to the plate recently and said, hey, we love what you're doing, Joe. We love the club. We love Jesse. We love Susanna. We're in. And so they decided, hey, they're going to participate in our live event. We've got some swag going to be at the event. So, folks, you don't want to miss this one.
Perfect. Now, I'm looking forward to it, guys. I can't wait. That I know that it's this Friday, so there's only a couple days. We do have a couple seats available. So if you're thinking of attending, I think the website is down below, scrolling somewhere. I hope they can see that. If it's down there, guys, there's the website, or you can contact Joe. You can DM me. You can send me an email, or Susanna. Either one of us will get you registered. I know yesterday, Joe, I had like 4 or 5 people reach out to me and say, Jess, do we have a seat? Can I get a seat? And I said, yes, we got you. We're ready to go. So that between the people that are coming in my office and Crexi, I'm sure it's going to be an amazing event. So I can't wait. I can't wait till Friday. I want to see everybody there live, and they're all going to walk away with plenty of nuggets to get their investment journey started.
Joe, remind everybody the times. What time does it start on Friday?
9 o'clock Pacific. I know we had the time change recently, ladies and gentlemen, but Friday, 9 o'clock, please be early. There's plenty of parking around Jesse's office, along the street. And folks, I got to say, timing is everything. Timing is everything. 1989, 1990 was when I first explored real estate, and it was a very similar market. The biggest thing right now that's really driving this one, folks, is the loan maturity. 2025, Mortgage Bankers Association mentioned that $900 billion of loans are maturing. That creates massive, massive opportunity. So we'll be talking about that as well, folks.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I just had this conversation this weekend. I was with some friends that are in the commercial space, and we're talking about this. And they're like, hey, remember the residential market when it crashed in 2008, 2009, and there was a lot of opportunities out there? I go, well, maybe not the crash, but it's going to be very similar with commercial. With all these loans resetting, there's going to be a lot of people are going to need our help or are going to need an exit, right? They're going to need an exit. And that's where the opportunities come in. So there's a tremendous amount of opportunity coming up in the commercial sector. I'm preparing for it. Everyone that I'm talking to, everyone in my office is preparing for it. And we're doing everything we can to bring more and more people to the table. So like you said, Joe, together we can go quick. But I mean, by ourselves, we can go quick, but together we can go farther. So I can't wait to see you guys on Friday, share a little bit of what we see in the market and some of the lead generating strategies and finding these and sourcing these deals and how to finance these deals. So if you want to go to that website below. That website right there, guys, is what's going to get you guys to our event this Friday. So hopefully we'll see you there.
All right. Anything else, Susanna? We'll wrap it up.
No, I'm just super excited. I just have always wanted to kind of divulge all the secrets, and some of them are, very simple that people can guess, but some of them are really kind of hidden gem about the commercial financing. And I do feel that will make a big difference with people's investment strategies. So I'm excited. I'll see you guys on Friday.
Yeah, I can't wait to take you guys too. I want to learn how to finance more of these properties as we go along. So guys, thank you for having me on the live. I can't wait to see you guys Friday. Joe, I know you're driving in from San Diego. Santa, you're coming from out of state, so you're flying.
Yeah, that's right. I'm driving. I'm driving on Thursday.
Oh, you're driving in. Okay, great. So guys, we have a great panel coming up for you guys there. We have some great classes. Hopefully we'll see you there. Don't forget, register on that website below.
See you guys later. Thanks, Jesse. Thanks, Susanna.
Thank you. See you soon.